Hello, my dear little ones. Good evening. Hope you all are doing well. Today, let's study a poem. Do you like poems? Okay. It's a poem about birds. Let's read and enjoy the poem. My dear children, you can open page number 152. 152 in your English textbook. You can see a poem, Birds. It is written by Sarah Josepha Hale. My dear children, what can you see here in this picture? Yes, you can see a mother bird, three little birds, and a girl there. Let's read and enjoy the poem. Birds. If ever I see on bush or tree young birds in a pretty nest, I must not in my play steal the birds away to grieve their mother's breast. My mother, I know, would sorrow so should I be stolen away. So I'll speak to the birds in my softest words, nor hurt them in my play. So, my dear children, who is the speaker in this poem? Yes, it is this girl. It is the girl who sings the poem. Okay, what does she say? Yes, if I ever see, if she sees a bird there anywhere on a bush or a tree, or young birds in a nest, she will not, even for playing, steal the birds. Why? Why? Because it will make their mother sad. Grief means sadness. Then she talks about her mother. My mother, I know, would sorrow so. And she talks about her mother like, if I have been stolen, my mother will feel the same sadness as the bird mother. So I'll speak. So she says that she'll speak to the birds in her softest words. And she tells that she will not hurt them in her place. She will speak to the birds in softest manner, as she knows the sadness or griefness of her mother as well as the bird mother. Okay, my dear children. See how many mothers are there in this poem. The girl is talking about two mothers. Yes, it is the bird mother and her own mother. Why will the girl not steal the birds from their nest? Yes, she knows that if she steals the birds even in her place, it will make the bird's mother in sad situation. It will make their mother grieve. And she knows that it will happen to her own mother if she has been stolen away. Okay. The last question, why does the girl use the softest words to the birds? Because she loves them. She does not want to hurt them even in her place. Okay, my dear children, you have to read this poem many times. Okay. Now let's discuss some rhyming words of this poem. Which are the rhyming words? See, tree, nest, breast, play, away, know, so, birds, words. You can see the rhyming words in this poem. Now let's take page number 157. 157 in your English textbook. There is a project work. I'll read the question for you. We see a lot of birds around us. Observe them and complete the table given below. Try to describe each bird in 3 or 4 sentences using the details you have collected. So we have to collect the following details. Name of the bird, color of feathers, color of beak, color of feet, place where you see them, where you find those birds, then the time when you see them. So my dear children, you know many birds, so you have to collect these details and write the details in this table. After writing all the details, you can describe each bird in 3 or 4 sentences here in this place, in the space given in this textbook. My dear children, I have given you the example here. We can see crow in black feathers, color of its beak black, feet again black, place where you see them, yard, courtyards, time when you see them, morning and evening. Then parrot, green feathers, red beak, brown feet, we can see them on trees during evening. Owl, the bird's name is owl, there its feathers, beak as well as its feet are in brown color. Then we can see them on the trees during night time. Crane, white feathers, brown beak and feet. We can see them on the fields during morning time. Again, the last one, bat, black feathers, black feet, black beak. We can see them on the trees during night time. And I have given explanations or descriptions of parrot and crow here. I'll read it for you. You can write it your own. Parrot is a beautiful bird. It has a red beak and green feathers. Its feet are brown in color. We can see them on trees in the evening. Crow is a black bird. It has black beak and black feathers. Its feet are black in color. We can see them in the courtyard during evening time. So my dear children, like this manner you can complete the table and you can describe your favorite birds in the given space in page number 157. In page number 158, we have my words here. You can see a wheel here. Using the outer spellings, you can make a word along with EA. Make as many as words you can connecting the letters given in the circle. You have to connect them using EA. One is shown for you. BREATH, breath. Okay. So, like this same manner you have to write, find out many words by connecting these two spellings. Okay, my dear children, I have done 10 words for you. You can find more words. Heavy, spread, leap, steal, speak, clean, head, spear, clear. Like the same manner you can collect and you can find out more words and write it in the given space. So my dear children, write neatly, study well, Stay home, stay safe. Bye all.